no more fighting type of once you die people and I will cut your fucking throat. While prayers hospitable jaga. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everyone. For you today, I hope all of you will stay in blue condition. Because me, I'm a Faizat Marmalana, coming straight from New Zealand Junior School, to tell all of you my big story. It may be you never heard before. Also, this story was not told about funny story or even sad story. This story was told the fire of people. So guys, without wasting time, just watch and listen. What my best story is about the leader of Sokera. Once upon a time, in beautiful city of Banyan, there lived wise and strong person that of a noble family named by Sadhguru. He was the head of the sugar cane plantation that was owned by one of the biggest sugar factory in Banyan. Because he was kind and very concerned about the welfare of the workers until the people of him goes so care. One day, after the mining season was over, the sugar factory left a lot of new land to plant. But someday, the dust were ambitious to buy as much plantation land as possible and at the lowest possible price. So, they ordered Charlie and Bob to force people to give their land at a cheap price. Charlie and Bob, when it lasts for our victory, help us to take people there and a cheap price. If you succeed, we will give you a bond. Do you want it? Nice. Deal. Just wait for a few days and I will give you what you want. After that came Charikaba, Vijay, and Los Simon again. The people insecure for the company. Knowing about that, Sabra literally say what he did done by Charikaba Bangi people. He ready to cycle to defense. No more fight. Once you touch this people, and I will cut your fire. Because he knew that Sakera was immune to all weapons. He immediately related his troops and sent the best soldier of them. He had a big body and tribal power named by Hey, out from your fucking home. And I will cut your body to pieces. And I will give it to my funny dog. No one of you can eat. Touch me like and I will move your head from your body. Unbelievable the battle happened in that moment. Mark Mercer tried his gun and his knife. But Sakura was untouched. Finally, Marcus was afraid of Sakura. Seeing his weakness, Sakura gladly came to him and killed him. This is your time to die now! Oh, oh, oh. Since that incident, the dust and the troops will never disturb Bangin society anymore. And Sakura bravely stick in the heart of Medulla's people to this day. Okay, maybe that's all for me. And you can take the little moral for you from my story is stop bullying because the weak doesn't mean to be human either. And guys, I would like to remind all of you, stop bullying, stop yelling. And maybe that's all for me. See you in the next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.